Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a video on the best 10 stocks to invest. The app that I'm currently using is Trading 212. I advise you to, if you guys are in the UK, I believe that this is the best app to use. We are yet to have Robinhood from the US coming to the UK. We have Trading 212, and this is the app that I'm gonna be using today. So my first investment is AMD. I currently have one share at AMD, with a return of 4.60. AMD does not pay a dividend. However, I still think that this is a very good stock to invest. As you know, the market has been going crazy with the sickness there is going on. But this is definitely a good stock to invest. You can definitely have a sort of return on your investment, I guess you can say that. So yeah, this is a good stock to invest. The second stock that I have is Apple. I have one share at Apple, with a return of 14.99. The average price is 230, and then is currently selling at 253. Apple pays a dividend of 1.25. And this is definitely a good advice. They've just released a new iPad and a new MacBook Air. It did not have much impact on the stock. However, I believe that this is because of the sickness that is currently going on, and once this goes away, it should go back to normal, to what it was in December, somewhere around 315, 18. So yeah. My third investment is Bank of America. Bank of America is one of the biggest banks in the US. They've been going down because of the sickness. I have 3 shares in Bank of America with a return of 6.20 something. 28 now. The average price is 18.67, and is currently selling for 21.48. And today, there was a bit of volatility in the market, especially with the stimulus that the UK and the US government are trying to implement. My fourth investment is Barrett Developments. I have 15 shares in Barrett Developments. This is definitely a good stock to invest. It still has a long way to go, and I'm pretty sure that I can double my investment. I'm actually looking forward to double on my shares, so around 30 shares. So I can have a good return on my investment. The current return that I have on my investment is 14.16 pounds, and the average price of £4 and 2p, and it's currently selling for £4 and 32p. They do pay a dividend, I believe, of 7.16. My next stock is probably the only one I'm losing right now, is Boeing. I did get into Boeing quite late, not gonna lie, probably just before this video, as they announced the plan to start the production, or not the production, but the 73 Max that they were grounded. They say that they're gonna start flying from May. So I decided to get in. I believe that Boeing still has a long way to go as well. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna get my return on my investment. I have one share at Boeing with a current return of negative £2 and 79p. The average price, my average price is 169. It's currently selling for 167. Boeing does not pay a dividend. Next stock you should invest is Delta Airlines. I have 3 shares Delta Airlines, with current return of 24.15, with the having average price of 22.16, and Delta is currently selling for 32.06, just shy of 32. And they do pay a dividend of 5.99. I have faith in Delta, one of the best airlines in the US, and this is certainly a good stock that you should look into investing. We can say they've had a solid year for the past year. Averaging 52, going up a few times and down a few times. So this is definitely a company you should have a look into. The next one is Ford Motors. This is a company that has been around for a long period of time. Um, I have 20 shares at Ford, with a current return of £20 and 10p's and average price of 4.38. It's currently selling for 571. Sorry. Ford does pay a dividend. Very 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 good dividend. Of 12%, and this is certainly a company you should look into. Um, the Royal Caribbean is my next stock. I have 3 shares. Uh, at Royal Caribbean. With a return of 43.95. As you know, this is one of the cruise lines that they were hit with the sickness that's been going on, and their stock fell so much. So I'm definitely looking into doubling my shares on Royal Caribbean as well. Um, Sometime today maybe. Um, I currently have a average price of 23.84. And they do pay a dividend of 9.05%. The next one is Southwest Airlines. Is one of the best airlines in the US. They mostly do flights between states. I'm not sure if they do international flights. If they do international flights, you guys can just leave in the comments for me to know. But I have 3 shares in Southwest Airlines with a return of 23.27. An average price of $31.04. They do pay a dividend of 1.91%. It's not much, but I do believe this is a company that still has a long way to go and a lot to grow. So this is definitely a company you should have a look into. And my last investment, as you can see, is the one that I put the most money into because it's one of the companies that I believe in the most. Especially, I have 1.3 shares somehow. Should have more. But when it was down, I didn't have enough money, and I'm definitely gonna double up my stocks or my shares. I currently have a return of £111. Average price of 438.29. It's currently selling for 548, and Tesla do not pay a dividend. But I believe that this is about to change soon. Because of the sickness, obviously, their stock went down, but Tesla have just released the Model Y, and not only released, but is also shipping the Model Ys and delivering them. So once the sickness does go away, I believe that their stock will go up again, certainly around the 900s, definitely, and probably even more. So if you do have the opportunity to buy Tesla, you still have time to do it. And I'm sure that you have a good return on the investment. Alright guys, this is my overall video on the 10 best stocks to invest right now. I'll just go through them quickly. AMD, Apple, Bank of America, Barrett Development, Boeing, Delta Airlines, Ford, Royal Caribbean, Southwest Airlines, and Tesla. I'll keep you guys updated on my portfolio as this week continues. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks, guys.